Welcome to another exciting episode of From Confused to Confident in English. We are so thrilled to have you with us today. If you've ever felt that awkwardness in speaking English or have stumbled over words, let me tell you, you are absolutely not alone. In fact, many, if not most, language learners experience these challenges at some point in their journey. But today, we are embarking on a transformative journey together to boost your confidence and help you shine when speaking English. So, let's dive right into our first theme, the incredible power of practice. Speaking English is much like learning to ride a bike. It takes time, effort, and yes, sometimes a few tumbles along the way. Do you remember how wobbly you felt when you first got on that bike? Maybe you even fell a couple of times. That's totally normal. Just like with biking, the key is to start small. Picture this. Why not try saying hello to a neighbor? Or perhaps ask a question at the store. These little interactions might feel simple, but they're stepping stones that build your confidence over time. And before you know it, you'll be riding smoothly down the road of conversational English. Now, let's talk about immersing yourself in English. Imagine wrapping yourself in a warm blanket of language every day. You can make English a part of your daily life by watching movies, listening to music, or diving into books in English. Don't stress if you don't understand every word. The goal is to enjoy the experience. Here's a fun challenge. How about trying to watch a movie without subtitles? You might be amazed at how much you actually catch. And who knows? You might even discover new phrases or expressions that you can incorporate into your own conversations. Now, let's address a common concern that many face, the fear of making mistakes. It's completely okay to mix up words or tenses. In fact, each mistake is a golden opportunity to learn and grow. So, I want you to give yourself permission to err. Remember, confidence grows with practice, so don't let the pursuit of perfection hold you back. Embrace those mistakes as part of the learning process. Have you ever thought about finding a language buddy? This could be a friend, a classmate, or even someone you meet in a language exchange group. Sharing your journey with a buddy can make learning so much more enjoyable and effective. You can support each other, practice conversations, and keep each other accountable. Plus, it's always more fun to learn with someone by your side. Next up, let's expand your vocabulary. Learning new words daily is a fantastic way to enhance your language skills. You could use flashcards or sticky notes to help reinforce your new vocabulary. And here's a challenge for you. Try to incorporate at least one new word into your conversations today. Not only will this help with retention, but it'll also give you the confidence boost of expressing yourself more richly. Don't forget about the importance of speaking clearly. If you can, record yourself speaking English. This can be a helpful tool to identify areas where you might improve. Don't rush through your speech. Speaking slowly allows you to think through your ideas and makes your speech much clearer. This clarity can help ease those nerves that often accompany speaking in a second language. Confidence is absolutely key. Stand tall, speak clearly, and believe in yourself. Remember, how you present yourself significantly influences how others perceive you. Engage in positive self-talk daily and celebrate each achievement, no matter how small it may seem. Did you manage to have a conversation in English today? Celebrate it. Each step forward is a step toward greater confidence. As we start to wrap up today's episode, I want you to remember to set realistic goals for yourself. Whether it's achieving fluency, understanding complex texts, or simply feeling comfortable in discussions. And most importantly, celebrate every victory along the way. Transforming from feeling confused to confident in English is indeed a journey filled with practice and patience. Embrace those challenges, enjoy the process of learning, and remember that we believe in you. So keep practicing, and soon speaking English will begin to feel as natural as breathing. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, take care and happy learning.